Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So today I'm really excited to show this. This is a TRX4 Sport unassembled kit, and this is going to Operation 11 Charlie. 11 Charlie has a channel on YouTube. He does a live stream on Monday nights, talks about his charity and a lot of the good work that he's doing. I'll make sure I post a link for 11 Charlie's channel, as well as post up his website so you can read about Operation 11 Charlie. So back to the TRX4 Sport. I'm going to get this kit all built up, get it assembled, and send it off to 11 Charlie. Now when I ordered this kit up, I ordered it up through D&D Sports, and when I mentioned what I was doing, they were great enough to send me some extras. So going on this rig will be the 8080. These are the inner fenders for the Sport. I got the 8028, this is the lighting module, and I got the 8026X, these are the rock lights. Very, very cool. Many thanks to D&D Sports for those extras. Now these kits are super cool. First time I'm putting together a TRX4 Sport unassembled kit. Inside you got the 4 tires. These are mounted onto the black plastic rims. You have the roof rack and all the extras. In here is the roof rack. It's got the front grille for the lights. It's got everything. It's got the shovel, all kinds of cool goodies to accessorize this body. You have, of course, the TRX4 Sport body, unpainted, and all of the various parts that you need to complete the build. Now this kit does not come with the transmitter, the receiver, servo, all that, ESC motor. So I dug into my parts bin and I have pretty much everything I need to get this thing going. I'm going to throw in an XL5 HV. This is 3S capable. This is the stock TRX4 ESC. I have a 21 reverse turn 550 motor. The 2075X. This is a metal geared servo. And last but not least, we have a Spectrum receiver and a Spectrum radio. This is a DX2E DSMR radio with a 2-channel 2.4 gigahertz receiver, and this will be plenty to get this Sport moving. Alright guys, I want to get this thing started, get this thing put together. Please make sure you check out the channel to see this build in action. Make sure you check out 11 Charlie RC and check out Operation 11 Charlie. And as always, if you liked what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. I'll see y'all soon.